Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going over the small Tinfoil Tin Survival Kit. Very basic container. Got a tinfoil bottom, plastic top. Get this from a lot of places when you get takeout. Or get some boxes. Yeah. Pretty much a kit you shove under the seat, forget about it, you have it when you need it. And we're in the boat, sailboat, but preferably just in a land vehicle or off-road vehicle. And this is a cheap container, you really don't have to care about it that much or worry about it being down there. Nothing in the kit's too expensive. The most expensive thing's probably the cutting tool, which is most kits. Yeah, all you have to do is pop this little foil edge. You can also put silicone in there if you really wanted to, and that would definitely make it nice and sealed. Definitely make it fun to open too, but just a suggestion. Here we have a nice neck cloth or scarf. Pretty much just wraps around your neck, go around your face, use as a face mask, head wrap, anything like that. And we also have two 10-hour hand warmers. Keep you nice and warm out there. For cordage, we just have some yard line. I don't know why. Blank there. Here we have our clipper lighter, some duct tape wrapped around it. You take the duct tape, rip it off, light it. Just makes the life of the lighter last way longer. Okay, I finally messed up that sentence. But I like these clippers because I also like the fact that you can pull this out, dry it out if the tank's cracked or something like that on this, and you can still use a striker as long as you have some nice tinder. For navigation, we have our very basic compass, but it does the job. Water filtration, you have our Frontiers water filtration straw, just held on with a little trash tie here. So from Frontiers, great little filter, cut down the straw to keep it a little more compact than normal. For cutting, we have our Gerber multi-tool. It's a very nice one. Of course, you have the needle nose, the wire cutters, the wrench, and you also have your saws, scalers, your main blade, your screwdriver, got a flathead and a Phillips. Pop that one close, as well as scissors on this side. Why can't I figure out the proper way to open this? Oh, there we go. We got our saw. We got our can opener, bottle opener, an extra little screwdriver, as well as a pair of scissors. Which is awesome, even though we have wire cutters already, so you can clean yourself up if you're out in the bush. That's our little multi-tool. Another way of fire starting, we have some UCO stormproof matches. Tell that compass is going crazy. We have the UCO stormproof matches. These are great for starting fires in moist environments, especially if you have a lack of tinder. Here we got some snare wire for additional cordage. For a first aid kit, we went very basic. Let's have a few bandages, approximately 4 bandages. 5. But yeah, we got 5 bandages. And we got 2 packs of some antibacterial cream or antibiotic cream. We also have some tin foil for cooking or boiling water if you don't want to use your bowl. And for signaling, we have the nice signal mirror here. Okay, keep you warm. We have our Mylar emergency blanket. These are great for reflecting heat back at you, creating shelters, rain collection, just keeping you dry, signaling. So I highly suggest having a Mylar in your survival kit, no matter what kit it is. It's a very basic thing, the very base thing next to a cutting tool. Here we have 2 SE water activated towelettes. These are great for basic hygiene, first aid, water filtration, even marking the trail, anything like that. We also have just a string or a roll of duct tape, mostly for gear repair, but you can also use it for fire starting or first aid. Another form of signaling, we have our tornado whistle from Acme. These are great whistles, great website. I'll go ahead and link the site down below. Go ahead and check out their site. They have great deals on a whole bunch of different designs and sizes. And it's surprising how good of deals they have on these very special feeling whistles, but they're great whistles. Here we have our ferro rod, which is a full ferro rod, full size. You know, we got that nice thick boy. You go ahead and strike it with your multi-tool, your blade, your backyard blade, whatever, and get it going. That's your third way of fire starting. And for a little boost, we also have 2 hard mint candies. And that is the kit, guys. You have your boiling bowl, you have your other plate, and yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys would change to make it better. Using the same container, because I keep getting these comments, which I love comments, but you guys aren't grasping what I mean. Like, to make it better, we're still working with the same container. We're just talking about what's inside or how I dealt with the container itself. I know we can make the best kits, but let's just work with the container we're working with today and see what we can do with that. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you guys for supporting me. Have a nice day, and thank you guys for checking out the channel.